Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story quality. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is first check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection isn't strong, that might be causing Instagram to downgrade the story quality. So check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is strong. So in order to do that, all you gotta do is just open up your web browser and then on the search bar simply type in speed test and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you have done that, check to see if your Wi-Fi is running strongly or not. And once you have done that, all you gotta do is just go back and then try again. And if this issue still persists, then what you need to do now is just open up your app store and on the search bar simply type in Instagram and then tap on Instagram. And once you have inside it, you'll be seeing this kind of page. And now instead of this open option, if you see an update option, simply tap on update to get the latest version, as it contains bug fixes and performance improvements. So once you have done that, simply try again and that probably should fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.